chicken feet and raw giant sardines. What do you think? Is that pretty good? Fish, chicken feet, wagyu steak, sardines, and eggs. There you go, baby. You deserve it.
She doesn't understand. Go get it, Athena. It's your treat.
She's gonna have supper.
The last birthday.
You're not gonna eat? Have we been giving you too many treats already? You're not hungry anymore?
I think she doesn't know where to start.
Or she doesn't understand that this is like, we're legitimately giving her.
Oh, she's never had raw eggs. So many things all at once. What's happening? You like all of those things. The only thing I've never given her is raw. Okay, there we go. She knows she likes the chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
See, listen to how many times you actually hear her chew the bone. She's flopping it around.
Yeah, she's gonna chew it.
There's two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
What do you want?
That was 7.
I love you, but you're not the main subject. The dog is.
Oh, nice treats.
We'll pet you in the background,
Nice treats.
but
Here we go with the fish.
Athena is the one I'm focusing on.
Okay, well,
Don't try to just swallow it.
And
You've got
Oh,
like
that
an
was the
hour
sardine.
left, so.
Yeah, can't be dying on it now.
Hey.
don't do that. Show it.
That was beautiful.
That's. I saw the eyeball all mushed up.
Gross.
She's like choking while still trying to swallow it.
Can you chill?
She didn't
My
chew that.
goodness.
Athena, you need to start chewing your
And she's
food.
still snorting. Like when you go, as you have food in your mouth, it makes it worse.
Yeah.
Are you okay? You're such a dum-dum.
Indeed, she is.
Sometimes. Eat your food, be careful. There's steak there, girl.
Come on, eat it.
I think she might be
She's
a little bit overwhelmed.
Yeah.
We also all have our phones
Yeah,
pointed at
there's
her.
a lot
so-
happening and everybody's staring at her and I don't think she understands.
Lips. Have some steak.
Yup. See, girl, you gotta get it on there. Yeah.
Yes, we found the steak.
She just needs to know what was. I think it's because there's so much going on. She doesn't know like what's.
What's what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't know how to go about it.
Just going for the chicken again.
She chewed that like 3 times.
That's many bones.
Yeah, that is many little bones. And she
She's liking the egg, like the raw egg. Snapping it up.
Oh my god, she's beating it.
She's beating the egg.
Yes. Fat.
Trust him to send pictures of the apartment or the duplex because yeah, I think the ones that are in there are from a different one.
Now she's discovered the cooked eggs.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put up a lot of sheets in the back of the car just in case she vomits.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit concerned she's gonna get an upset stomach, but But she deserved to have the treats. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Look at, she's freaking out over the eggs now. She's like eating them so fast. Can't get them tossed up.
Cause you know, I also looked through a bunch of the things they sent.
All done.
Couldn't find the dollar snap battery.
They're good? Good snorts or bad snorts?
Good question.
Just looking for more.
That's an intense snort.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Intense enjoyment.
Yeah.
Sniffing intensifies.
Gotta air it out in there, you know?
Good treat. She did a good treat. Yeah. Looking at chops for a bit. Oh, he's still got his steak on her fingers. Oh, it's good stuff. You got egg yolk on your chin. Wash up, girl. I think that's what I'm doing.
It's like I'm trying, I don't know. Doesn't go that way.
I just washed the boogies out of your eyes right before I fed this to you. It's nonstop.
She's crying from the choking.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, you got egg yolk on your chin. You got egg yolk on your chin, baby girl. Here, drool just a little bit.
It's impossible to pet her with how flappy her neck is.
I'm trying to get underneath her collar, but it's hard because my fingers. I'm
Ooh,
trying to